WHO warns of contaminated India cough syrups. The World Health Organization on 13 October 2025 issued a health advisory warning about three contaminated cough syrups identified in India, urging authorities to report any detection of these medicines in their countries to the health agency. The WHO said the affected medicines are specific batches of Coldref from Shreesan Pharmaceutical, Respi Fresh TR from Rednex Pharmaceuticals and Relive from Shape Pharma. The agency said the contaminated products pose significant risks and can cause severe, potentially life-threatening illness. India's health authority, the Central Drug Standard Control Organization, informed the WHO the syrups were reportedly consumed by children, all under the age of 5, who recently died in the central state of Madhya Pradesh Chhindwara district. The cough medicine contained toxic diethylene glycol in quantities nearly 500 times the permissible limit. CDSCO said none of the contaminated medicines have been exported from India and there is no evidence of illegal export. The US Food and Drug Administration confirmed on Friday that these toxic cough syrups had not been shipped to the United States. Risks. These contaminated products pose significant risks to patients and can cause severe and potentially life-threatening illness. Diethylene glycol is toxic to humans when consumed and can prove fatal. The contaminated oral liquid medicines referenced in this alert are unsafe and their use, especially in children, may result in serious injury or death. Toxic effects can include abdominal pain, vomiting, diarrhea, inability to pass urine, headache, altered mental state and acute kidney injury which may lead to death. To protect patients, it is essential to detect and remove these contaminated products from circulation. Advice to healthcare professionals. Regulatory authorities and the public healthcare professionals should report the detection of these substandard products and any incident of adverse effects or lack of expected effects to their national regulatory authorities or National Pharmacovigilance Center. WHO advises increased surveillance and diligence within the supply chains of countries and regions likely to be affected by these substandard products. Increased surveillance of the informal unregulated market is also advised. National regulatory authorities, health authorities, and law enforcement authorities are advised to immediately notify WHO if these products are detected in their country. If you are in possession of any of these products, WHO recommends that you do not use them. If you, or someone you know, has or may have used these products, or suffered an adverse event or unexpected side effect after use, seek immediate medical advice from a healthcare professional or contact a poisons control center. All medical products must be obtained from authorized licensed suppliers. If you have any information about the manufacture or supply of these products, please contact WHO via Rapid Alert at WHO. INT